Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to study chapter 13 Ways to Multiply and Divide. Before that, I want to give you some instruction. Observe the method and solve the sums given in PDF in notebook. Different ways of multiplication. In this topic, we will learn about different types of multiplication. Let us start with the first method, addition method. In this method, we will add the number instead of multiplying it. For example, 15 multiply 4. So here we will add the number 4 times, and after adding the number we find the final answer. It is a 60. Answer will be same but method is different. This method is not useful when the numbers are big. So we will generally do this type of method. It is a long method, but regular we are using this type of method. We will discuss this method later, but this method is not useful while the numbers are big. Second is grid method. In this method, first of all, we will split the numbers into unit and tens place. For example, 34 is given, then we will split the number 4 at unit place and 3 tens right here, 30 and 24. Same way, here is a 4 and 20. Now we will write the number like this way. This number we will write here 30 and 4, and 20 and 4 is like here. In this box we will multiply these two numbers, that is 20 into 30 is equal to 600. 2 3s are 6 and add 20 at the right side of the number. It is very simple. 20 into 40 is equal to 80. 8 multiply 30 is equal to 240, and 8 multiply 4 is equal to 32. After multiplying this number, inner box, we will add the number all together and find the final answer. Like this way we get the answer. This is the another method, grid method. Now third method is the drawing lines method. This method is also known as Japanese method. For example, 13 into 12, we want to multiply the number. Then in this method we will draw a lines. In the first number there is a number is 13 and first digit is 1, second digit is 3. So we draw here one line in this way and another 3 lines. After leaving some space, we will draw another 3 lines. Now second number is 12. First digit is 1. So opposite side of this line we will draw another line 1, and after leaving some space another 2 lines we draw. Now wherever the lines are intersecting with each other, we will put their dots, and by counting that dots we find the answer. These opposite sides are dots are we will do in the addition, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now these cross numbers are adding by the 1 2 3 2 4 and 5. Write here 5 and here is a 1 dot. So in this manner we write answer. Now fourth method is a long multiplication. This is the regular method. We are generally using it. As all of you know, for example, 45 multiply 33. 45 is known as multiplicand. This number is multiplier, and whatever the answer we will get, it is a product. Start multiplying with the ones place value. 5 3s are 15. Carry forward one number. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. It is a tens place value, so put here 0. 3 5s are 15. Add one number here. It is already added, so we will cross it. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, and add this number. This is the final answer, and it is called product of the number. Generally we are using this method, and all of you know how to multiply it. I hope you have understood the method. You have to solve the sums given in PDF and mail it on given email ID.